屋顶年久失修，下雨就会漏水。趁着好天气，慈济志工找来修缮工人来帮道格拉斯翻修屋顶。
他说他的屋子漏得很厉害，需要我们慈济来帮他。这样我们这一次就是为什么会来帮的原因，就是想把他的屋子弄好，让他们能够安心住咯。
Kitchen also leaking.
It's all here was leaking. So far I didn't see that. Before this all water drop here, there water. Now they did just change the roof.
自从母亲去年癌症往生后，道格拉斯为了要照顾中风的姐姐和有智能障碍的妹妹，无法工作，顶楼也无力清扫。
这上面有什么？
很多那些垃圾很多那些床单不是床单，睡觉的。
Almost 1 year. But only thing if I got time I run lah, try and sweep. Cannot. What to do? They call my sister shout, I run down. What to do?
志工动员协助清理，每个角落志工都很卖力。
那可能我们还会继续跟案主保持联系还有关怀了哈。那我们看案主有哪里有需要的地方，我们再来安排。
I also would like to thank every one of you, for all the help, support, and thank you all so much. Really respect all of you all.
屋顶修缮好，顶楼也整理干净，改善居家环境。志工透过歌声来祝福道格拉斯一家人。大爱新闻王真莹、罗国聪、陈应渠，马来西亚报道。